Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use elderberry powder. Elderberry powder is a fantastic and versatile ingredient, offering a concentrated form of the beneficial compounds found in fresh elderberries. It's made from dried and ground berries, making it incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. This powder is a simple way to enjoy the advantages of elderberry without the hassle of fresh fruit preparation. For daily use, a common recommendation is to start with about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of elderberry powder. It's incredibly easy to mix into your favorite beverages. Simply add it to a glass of water, a fruit juice, or blend it into your morning smoothie. Make sure to stir or blend thoroughly to ensure the powder is fully incorporated for the best experience. Beyond drinks, elderberry powder shines in various culinary creations. Try stirring it into your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or a vibrant smoothie bowl for an extra boost. You can also incorporate it into baked goods like muffins, pancakes, or even homemade bread, adding a unique flavor and nutritional value. Get creative and experiment with different recipes. To maintain its potency and freshness, always store your elderberry powder in an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dark, and dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. This ensures the powder remains effective for longer. As with any new supplement, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding elderberry powder to your regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.